Hi, Animesh here, and this is Rustman. So, Rustman is basically a free and open source API testing tool. It is entirely made in Rust, and it supports all three operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can download the binary in the release section of Rustman. All the binaries are available here for all the platforms. So yeah, let's just open Rustman first. So this is Rustman. There are simple features like you can get post or whatever method you would want to like, and you can call that API. You can save that API into a collection. You can import collections. You can export collections. You can make new collections. You have history. You can have environments. You can also have version control based on the collections on Git, and you can even pull a repository or anything. So coming to the major coming to like core philosophy of Rustman. So the first philosophy is it should be native to the operating system. Second, the network stack should be native. And the third thing, it should be always free and open source, and it should not collect any telemetry data. It shouldn't require any account. It should be always free and open source, and it can be used commercially, anything. So now coming to the tech stack. So the tech stack is basically iced and Rust. It is entirely made in Rust. Also, uh, coming to the major engineering challenges that I overcome making this project. Basically, everything here is a state. You have to serialize all the states. The main source of truth in Rustman is SQLite. So basically, whenever you launch Rustman, you have to serialize all the states, whatever was active, whatever was in the header, what was ever in the body, what was ever in the script. So you also have to serialize those. Some of the things I have cached in an LRU cache. Some of the things we do not because we do not cache because the size of the Rustman key is changing and you have to invalidate that cache. Coming to the major engineering that has been done over here is the text editor. The text editor is seems very basic, but when you try making your own and want to support like large amount of text, it becomes very difficult. So in a text editor, you have to have syntax highlighting. That is basic. You should also format based on the language. Like it can be JSON, so it should be formatted. Coming to syntax highlighting and the formatting, these things are like cached in LRU cache because it is very CPU intensive task. Coming to the next best feature is like scripting. So we have a docs for that. If we go to Rustman's website, we have docs for the scripting part. So this is an entirely new language that is made for Rustman. We have a lexer and parser for this also. So you can set header, set body. And these are the basic grammars you can do. Like you can even get active environmental variables, and also like you can set cookies. You can even decode a JWT or get data from the cookie, and you can set them to the headers. And this is a whole new language that I made just for Rustman. So these are the core engineering that has been done. A lot of things will be added very soon. There will be flows that will be coming, and a lot of more engineering work would be done in Rustman. As of now, the editor needs more work, and it will get the love it deserves. So yeah.